For our next song, we have our Tilana for the evening. It will be an Adi Talam in Vrindavani Ragam, and it's composed by Bala Murali Krishna. So, a little bit about Tilana. A Tilana is a rhythmic piece of South Indian Carnatic music that is often performed at the end of a concert. It is also frequently used in classical Indian dance performances. It is based on the Tarika. Tilanas use tala-like phrases, the Pallavi and Alu Anupallavi, and they use lyrics in the Chandam. So you'll notice that this song is a little bit different than the other ones, but it's equally as enjoyable and super vibrant and interesting if you take the time to listen a little intently. I hope you enjoy it, and without further ado, go ahead.
Suga Sudur